A lithium-ion battery pack is made up of a bunch of small lithium-ion cells put together into a pack. The way in which these cells are physically placed inside the pack and the electrical connections between these cells are an important design consideration. The more cells you can fit into a pack, the higher the amount of energy you can store. Definitely don't get lured into cheap, non-reputable brands just because they claim a higher power or energy level, as they may be sacrificing product safety for this in the device design. It is important that manufacturers use rigorous tolerances, quality assurance, and quality control processes when making these electrical connections between the cells in the pack. Not doing this can mean that these internal pack electrical connections prematurely break before the specified device end of life. It is important to outline that broken electrical internal connections can lead to potentially dangerous short-circuit events between cells, which can lead to a battery fire. In addition to this, high-quality manufacturers will carefully consider the required mechanical protection for their battery packs in accordance with the wear and tear of the intended application. Low-quality manufacturers will select the cheapest mechanical protection, which generally means that the device may not be robust to usual wear and tear, leading to a shortened lifespan or potentially dangerous fault events. The thermal management of these battery packs is vital to the lifespan, long-term performance, and safety of the product. This is because each cell will produce some heat when the battery is being charged or discharged through use. To compensate for this, each battery pack manufacturer has designed a method for channeling the heat out of the pack and cooling it. These cooling methods vary depending on the application. For example, many electric vehicle battery packs are liquid-cooled with a radiator or heat exchanger system and cooling pipes around the battery pack. Many power tools and consumer electronic lithium-ion battery products rely on cooling fans and/or vents to channel air across the cells. A high-quality thermal management system will ensure that all cells in a pack are cooled to an adequate level and will be reliable and robust. Lower quality thermal management systems may not cool all the cells sufficiently, which could lead to an accelerated degradation of some cells. Also, a low quality thermal management system may break easily or be easily impeded. In summary, it is recommended that you go for the reputable brand products who are much more likely to have all the necessary internal pack design and assembly procedures in place.